This is the Felder Profile 45 Format 4 shaper. And today I'm going to be running an attachment that Felder sells. I have a particular 60 grit sandpaper on this attachment, and it's a friction fit. This is rated at a maximum of 3,500 RPM. This is a 100 millimeter height on this particular attachment. I've got a 30 millimeter spindle. I'm going to be mounting that on there, tightening that down. I've got a Baltic Birch piece of wood I've cut. This is approximately I guess it's an 18 millimeter thickness, multi-ply. You can see where I've cut this out. Hopefully you can see it. There's a line here, a pencil line. Better would be an ink line. This is an 8.5 inch diameter. I want a half circle. I've cut this out with a jigsaw, handheld, to get it this close, and now I'm going to go with the Felder attachment and do some sanding. I'll fix this in there and we'll see how it goes. Now with this particular attachment, it's better just to take several passes and work it down evenly and maintain a certain circumference or speed of the piece of wood against your sander. If you try to take off too much, you'll end up digging in and gouging. So I find it best just to take your time and work it around there. I don't know if you can quite see what I'm doing. Let me move this on around. See if I get you in a little bit closer. How's that? I'm going at around 3,500 RPM, well within the limits of this particular tooling. It's very gentle. With a 60 grit, it's a very gentle removal. So I'm not having to fight it or anything like that. I'll take about 2 or 3 passes. Have the dust collection on now. Think about that later. This attachment, not really knowing what it was good for. It's not an oscillating head like some of the other dedicated machines are, but it does a pretty good job. I chose the 60 grit because my experience with several other orbital and linear sanders, this one, this RPM is actually a finer grit than you might think for 60 grit. Your last pass. As I say, if you can get this to remove that 16th of an inch with a nice fluid movement, that's better than trying to take off too much with each pass. That's it. Not bad at all. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.